Hello everyone and welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the #1 site for crowdfunded, innovative, and awesome tech products. If you think that one of your products belongs on our sites, you can send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're doing an unboxing of the meter from Aption Labs. Aption Labs. Let's go. Oh. That is a fail. Oh man, I was so excited. Alright, still satisfying. Okay, and out pops. And it says, "Thank you for choosing Meter, the first smart wireless meat thermometer." And then it gives you all of its social media. And here is the little meter block. Very cute. So here is the meter. It is a nice, strong little box, and it tells you how to charge the meter. You have to charge it for 1 hour, and then it tells you to download the app on either iOS or Android, and then it tells you to launch it. And here we go. My favorite tact pen. Help me open it up, and then little box, little quick start guide, I guess. Yep, similar information, beef, chicken, pork, everything that you can use it for. And then a beautiful little bamboo case for the meter that you can charge it in. It says, "Attention, always insert into the meat past this line to avoid damage." So that is interesting because basically, oh, out it popped. The meter has two different thermometers, two different probes, one on this end and one on this end. So this end will tell you what the temperature is inside the meat that you're cooking, and this end will tell you what the outside air temperature is in the oven or wherever you're cooking, on the grill, somewhere else. So that's very interesting. This end is the battery, and these are nice little magnets. Actually, it's quite cute. So this is also a magnet, but this holds by magnet. And that is the meter. There's an indicator light there when it's charging. That is the meter. I will let you guys try it out on the grill or in the oven yourselves. So I would love to hear if you have what you've done. Did you cook with it? What did you make? How do you like it? Want to hear it all? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon on Wiplabs.com.